Good morning, everyone. Myself, Priya, and I'm a top educator in the category of EAMCET. Just give me a minute. We'll start up with the class. Just 1 minute. We'll start. Okay. I hope all of you had your breakfast. And as it was announced that we'll be having quiz on today's class. So let us begin with the questions. In 1 or 2 minutes, we'll start it. Just some students are asking for link again. It's the same link actually. All of you can join by the same link. But I don't know what's wrong. Let me just check, okay? Yes. Okay, yeah, now it's working well for all of you. We'll start. Okay. So this is about the plus subscription. All of you can go for the plus subscription. And just see this. There are 3 different plans in the plus subscription. One is a 12-month plan. Another one is a 6-month plan, and also we have 1 month plan, which is a trial price for all the new subscribers. Okay, the 12-month plan cost you around 12,375 rupees, whereas the 6-month plan cost you about 10,125. And also there is a trial price for 1 month, and the price for this is 2,250 rupees, and this is applicable or available only for the new subscribers. Okay, all right. Coming to the benefits of this premium content or subscription plans, here first benefit is if you use this code PRKLIVE, you'll be getting 10% off on any of this subscription plan. So this is my code. You can use my code, that is PRKLIVE, to get benefits of this particular subscription plan. Good morning, Sudham. Thank you for joining. So under this subscription plan, you'll be having premium content at very affordable price. Structured live courses will be there. Live doubt clearing sessions will be organized, and quiz will be organized at regular intervals for your analysis of the subject. And also, also under the subscription plan, you'll be getting mock tests to analyze your subject and understanding, and also under a single subscription, you'll be getting unlimited access to the content on Unacademy platform. So all of you can join for this subscription plan and make great use of these subscription plans, and use this code PRK Live and get 10% off on any of this subscription plans, right? Okay, so this is about the EAMCT Rankers batch. All of you can join the Rankers batch also. So let us begin with the MCQs that we thought to take up in this particular class, right? So this is question number 1. Which one of the following does not increase while moving down the group of a periodic table? So what it is asking, which one of the following does not increase? Means which value will not increase as we go down the group. So as you know, from top to bottom, atomic radius increases. They are asking which does not increase, right? Which does not increase. Just a minute. Okay, so metallic character, as you know, size increases. So the ability to donate the electron will also increase, and therefore metallic character would also increase, right? And coming to valence, okay, valence electrons. So you know valence, this is actually valence electrons, meaning is valence electrons, right? Okay, so as you go from top to bottom in a particular group, each group has their own set of valence electrons that remains same for all the elements that are present in that particular group. So in a particular group, all the elements would have the same number of electrons, right? So as you know, if they have the same number of electrons, then this particular value, it is not going to increase or neither it is going to decrease, right? So please make sure that you know all the concepts before answering any particular question. So this is the right answer, but still we will just see the last option also, because always sometimes what you can do is when you do not know, they eliminate the wrong answers, okay, and somehow you can come to a conclusion sometimes for a better answer. Then last one, number of shells in an element. So you know at each step a new shell is added. So definitely number of shells are also going to increase. So for this option C is the answer. Okay. Second question, on moving from left to right in a period in the periodic table, the size of an atom, what is the actual trend in size of any particular atom. So as you move from left to right in a periodic table, you know the next electron at every step is added to the same shell. The electron is added to the same shell. And if the electron is added to the same shell, the nuclear force of attraction increases. The nuclear force of attraction, if it increases, then definitely effective nuclear charge is increasing. Once the effective nuclear charge is increasing, we say that the electrons are pulled towards the nucleus and size decreases. Okay, size decreases. So option B is the right answer for this particular question. Next, coming to third question, an atom of an element has an electronic configuration 282. 282. To which group does it belong? To which group does it belong? So very simple. First, if you know electronic configuration, this element is magnesium. If you write the electronic configuration of magnesium, it is 2, 8, 2, because atomic number of magnesium is 12. Right? Here it is in M shell. Right? And last valence electrons are 2. If number of valence electrons are 2, then definitely it belongs to second group. It belongs to. Okay, let me just check if anyone has any comments. Okay, great. In modern periodic table, elements are arranged according to their. So first thing you should know what modern periodic table and what who gave modern periodic table. So modern periodic table was proposed by a very famous scientist, Henry Moseley, and according to modern periodic table, they're asking how the elements are arranged. So very simple question, fourth question. So according to modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in order of their atomic number, and atomic number is always represented by the value Z. Atomic number is always represented by value Z. Okay, so please remember modern periodic table was given by Henry Moseley, and in modern periodic table we say that physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses, periodic function of their atomic masses, right? So yes. Just, so that was about the fourth question. Yeah. Coming to the fifth question, in which group are inert elements placed? In which group are the inert elements placed? So very simple question. First, you should know what is the meaning of inert elements. What is the meaning of inert elements? Inert means non-reactive. Also, these inert elements are called as noble gases. These inert elements, they are also called as noble gases, or also known as zero group elements. Zero group elements because their last orbital is completely filled, and therefore they will neither donate the electrons or accept electrons. They will be not reacting much. The reason being because their electronic configuration is completely full, right? And that's how they are also known as zero group elements. And inert because they are not reacting, they don't have the necessity of reacting with any other element. So the zero group elements or noble gases are also known as inert elements. They are placed in group 18, the last group of the periodic table. Next question, sixth one. Which of the following sets of atomic number belong to that of alkali metals? So very simple. If you just alkali metals means you should know which group elements they are. So alkali metals, you know, they are first group elements. And if you just see the periodic table, then you'll come to know which elements are placed in this particular alkali metals, right? So how to know like whether they are present in a first group or second group or anything as such? Okay, so let us just see. So first group elements means what, which all come. Usually I have told you to remember this first group elements. For that I have told you one mnemonic also. So hydrogen, helium, lithium, hydrogen, helium, hydrogen, and this is atomic numbers, right? So based on this only you can remember different elements present in first group. So first element is hydrogen, next element is sodium, lithium, then sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. How to remember this? है लीना के रब से friendship. So atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Next, what will be atomic number of lithium? 3. Atomic number of sodium? 11. Atomic number of potassium? 19. Rubidium? 37. Cesium? 55. Then francium, it is, what is atomic number of francium? 87, right? Atomic number of francium would be 87. Now, how to identify this? So, first, if you move from here to here, the difference is 2. If you move from here to here, how much is the difference? 11 minus 3, it is 8, right? Next, the difference is 8. Next, from 11 to 19, it is again 8. 19 to 37, what is the difference? 19 minus 37, how much will be the difference? How to remember, that's what I'm saying. Because all elements you cannot remember, right? So it is 18. The difference is 18. Likewise from 37 to 55. 55 and 37. What is the difference? Again 18. Right? So if you just go on adding this numbers, you will get the atomic number of the next element that is present. Okay. Next one, 87 minus 55. How much it is? 32. Right? So this is the order how you can identify any element in the periodic table, whether the next atomic number would be the same or no. Right? Likewise, if you go for beryllium also, beryllium is second element after lithium. So lithium to magnesium, it is again the difference is 8 only. So every period if you just go, the difference is like this only. 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay. So there are 7 periods, right? So you can just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 I have taken, right? First one is at least you know, first element of every group you should be knowing. So the difference would be 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Right? Now let us just see. 1 is there, 12 is not there. So this option is not there. Then coming to ninth one, the second one, that is 37, 19, and if You just go for the next one. 3 is there, 55 is there. So here all options that we match up, here it is there. So 37 is there, 19 is there, 3 is there, and also 55 is there. So second option is correct one. Okay. So 37 element with atomic number 37 is rubidium, 19 is potassium, 3 is lithium, and 55 is cesium. Next, going to seventh question. The element with atomic number 14 is hard and forms acidic oxide and covalent halide. To which of the following categories does the element belong to? Okay. Element number 14, most of you must be knowing, it is silicon, right? Element with atomic number 14, it is nothing but silicon. If you remember the atomic numbers, at least you will be knowing, right? So let us just see how to solve this type of question. They have given its property. They are asking us to what type of category of element does it belongs to, right? Now atomic number 14. Let me write its electronic configuration. 2, 8, 4. Now the last orbit has 4 number of electrons. And they're saying it is hard. It is forming acidic oxide, right? So usually metals, they form basic oxides, right? Non-metals, they form acidic oxide, right? Next, covalent halide also it forms, right? Covalent halide. So first you should be knowing that what are the different properties of metals, non-metals, and different other concepts. Okay. Okay. Now you know the metalloids category, they can form both uh, acidic as well as basic oxides because it is amphoteric. We say they are amphoteric in nature. So here silicon, which is one of the most important metalloid. Okay, it is also forming covalent halide. So it belongs to the category of metalloids. Okay, right. Next question. The amount of energy released, what they're saying, the amount of energy released when one or more electrons is added to the neutral atom is, to the neutral atom is, what is the amount of energy released? So the amount of energy released when an electron or more than one electron is added to a neutral atom. So it is nothing but electron affinity, or electron gain enthalpy, right? That is the meaning. Okay, just a minute. Next one, the valence shell of an element contains 3 electrons. So there is an element A and its valence electrons are 3. Okay, while the valence shell of B contains 6 electrons. Okay, if A combines with B, the probable chemical formula of the compound is. So you know A, these are valence electrons. Let us write its valencies. Okay, valencies. So element A is there. It has 3 valence electrons. So definitely its valency will be 3 because if it wants to complete its octet configuration, then it's hard to get 5 electrons from someone. So what it would do, it would try to give out these 3 electrons. Likewise, if you come to B, B has 6 electrons. So 6 electrons, it requires how many more electrons to complete octet configuration? 2 more electrons. So making use of this valency, we are going to write the formula, not by making use of valence electrons. So this is A3, B2 now. Just exchange their valencies. It will be A2, B3. A2, B3. So option C is correct one. Next one. Arrange the following elements in order of the increasing non-metallic character. Non-metallic character. So if you go from left to right, in a periodic table, left to right in a periodic table, in a period, these are all elements of a period, that's why I have taken in a period. Size decreases as a nuclear force of attraction increases. Once the nuclear force of attraction is increased, then it is not able to lose the electron easily, right? So the property of non-metal says it tries to accept electrons. So if it is not going to lose the electrons, then it is trying to accept the electrons. So non-metallic character would increase. Non-metallic character increases. So if you just go from one side of the period to another side, so if you just see, this is a lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay. So this is the order. If you consider the second period, right? Which elements are given? Lithium, oxygen, carbon, beryllium, and boron. So the right order would be lithium would be the least one because it is having biggest size. Then beryllium. Then after that carbon. Then after that which element is given here? Uh, Oxygen. And you know the most electronegative element in the periodic table. Most electronegative. One more thing you can remember here. Most electronegative element is fluorine. Okay, that's how the right order would be this order B. Okay, right order is this option B. Okay, what type of oxide would an element E and aluminium form? So let us consider there is an element, they have not given its oxidation state or anything. So let us consider it to be just one. Okay, so valence electrons, let us consider it to be, sorry, valency. Valency, let us consider it to be 1. And aluminium, you know, atomic number of aluminium is 13. So if you write its electronic configuration, that is KLMN, so it will be 283. Correct? So aluminium has a valency. Its valency and valence electrons are same. Okay. So here it is 1. If nothing is given, it can consider it to be 1. And this would be 3. Right? Now they are saying oxide. They're saying oxide. So if I take this as oxygen, if I take this as oxygen, you know, oxygen, it has 2 minus charge. So its valency is 2. Because oxygen, if you write its electronic configuration, KLM, it has 2,6 number of electrons, right? Not 2,8. It has 2,6 number of electrons. So in the outermost shell, it has 6 electrons. It requires only 2 electrons. So it will try to accept those 2 electrons, right? So it would be minus 2 actually oxidation state, but here valency would be 2. If you just exchange their valencies, it would be Al2O3. So if you consider this element E, it would be E2O3. So option C is the right answer here. Option C is the right answer. Now let us move to the next question. Which of the following belong to same period? Okay, they have given atomic number. They have not given the element, but they have given the atomic number. Okay, same period means if the element having difference in the valence shells, based on that we can say. So element A is there with atomic number 2. Atomic number 2. Let me consider it to be helium. Okay, it is in first group, first period. Right. Atomic number 10, which is that neon. Right. Atomic number 10 is neon. It is in which group, which period? It is in second period. Right. Okay. How to identify also I will tell if you do not know the atomic number. Then carbon. Carbon. This is atomic number 5. It is, sorry, beryllium. Boron. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Okay, boron. It is also in second period. So definitely if you know the atomic number, you can write. But sometimes they may give different ones. So definitely you can say answer is second one. B and C, they belong to same period. Now how to identify? If I write beryllium, sorry, option B with atomic number 10 and option C with atomic number 5. If I write their K11 configuration, 2, 8, correct? And if I write its configuration, KLM, 2, 3. Now you can see both of them, they belong to L shell. they belong to L shell. So L shell means second period. Okay, L shell means second period. Right. Whereas if you see this atomic number A with 2 as the atomic number, if I write its K element configuration, it is 2, 0, 0. So it belongs to K shell, that is first period. Okay, so that's how you can identify. Next, which of the following property will be common in group 1? I have told you just now, we've seen this. Mass number cannot be same because atomic numbers are different. Number of protons in the nucleus also cannot be same because number of atomic number is varying. Atomic number definitely it cannot be same. Each step there will be new electrons that will be added up. Therefore, the number of valence shell electrons remains same in a given group always. 14. Which of the following exhibits maximum number of valence electrons? Okay, maximum number of valence electrons. Let us write the K element configuration and see. This is atomic number 11, atomic number 13, 14 and 15. Correct. So 2, 8, 1 valence electrons 1, 2, 8, 3 valence electrons 3, 2, 8, 4 valence electrons 4, 2, 8, 5 valence electrons 5. So very simple question. Definitely phosphorus will be having maximum number of valence electrons. Which of the following gives the correct increasing order of atomic radii? Manikanta. So see, we cannot say whether it will be easy or hard, but then definitely we need to prepare for it, right? So just the thing is, the right preparation would help you everywhere. Okay, the right amount of preparation, the right question of preparation, the right chapters to choose on, the right topics to learn about will definitely help you in the exam. And thank you so much, Manikanta, that you have joined. Please follow me on the Unacademy profile, and the link to my profile you will be getting in the description box of this particular video. So go to my profile and please follow me and attend my classes regularly. Which of the following gives the correct increasing order of atomic radii of oxygen, fluorine and nitrogen? You know, nitrogen atomic number 7, oxygen atomic number 8 and then fluorine atomic number 9, right? So which is the correct order? Fluorine will be having smallest because if you move from left to right, this is the order. So fluorine will be the last element, so it will be smallest in size. Increasing order means from small to highest one. So small to highest one would be this one. So fluorine is smallest size and nitrogen, it is bigger comparatively to all these three. Okay. Yeah. Next question. Element A has an electronic configuration 2, 7. B has an electronic configuration 285. C has an electronic configuration 287. Which two elements will exhibit similar chemical properties? Very simple. If they have same valence electrons, they will be having similarity in properties. So A is 2, 7, B is 2, 8, 5, C is 2, 8, 7. So if you just see here number of electrons and here number of electrons are same. This is actually fluorine. This is actually chlorine. So option A and C is the right one here. Okay. Next question number 17. Three more questions are there. Which of the following element does not lose an electron easily? So the one with smallest size. Smallest size will not lose electron easily. Right? Doesn't lose electron easily. So which one is smallest in size among sodium, fluorine, magnesium and aluminium? Definitely if you consider fluorine is the smallest in size. Next one, which of the following are the characteristic of isotopes of an element? So isotopes means, as we have learnt already, isotopes means same atomic number but different mass number, right? Okay, so let us see what are different options given. So if you see, isotopes of an element have same atomic masses. No, so this is wrong. Isotopes of an element have same atomic number. This is correct. Isotopes of an element show same physical property. Very correct. Isotopes of an element show same chemical properties. Very correct. Right? So option 2, 3 and 4. So in which you have 2, 3 and 4? Option B. So option B is correct. Last two questions. An element X has an atomic number of 40. Atomic number of element X is 40 and contains 21 neutrons. So neutron is 21. Mass number is given 40. To which group of the periodic table does it belong? So first we should know this formula. P plus N is equals to A. This is mass is equals to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Number of protons we will find first. That is atomic number minus neutrons. Sorry, mass number minus neutrons. 40 minus 21. So 40 minus 21, how much it is? All of you? You can comment in the comment section. 19, right? It is 19. So let us write its electronic configuration. KLM 289. It belongs to which shell? It belongs to which shell? M shell. Okay. 19 means last orbital is having 9 electrons. Right? 19. Sorry, this is 8 and next KLM N shell. Last orbital having 1 electron. So if last orbital has having 1 electron, then definitely it belongs to fourth group. Right? It is fourth group. Next one. Which of the following properties, last question, does not match element of halogen family? 7 electrons in the valence shell, this is matching, correct? Which does not match, they are asking, right? Okay. So they're highly reactive, they're metallic in nature. No, they're non-metallic in nature, right? So usually they form diatoms like F2, Cl2, Br2, all of them. They're non-metallic actually. Okay. 17th group elements are halogen, they are non-metallic. So that option one is right, wrong one. Okay. So that's all for today's class. My next live YouTube session will be on 14th of this particular month at 8:30 a.m. and we'll come up with some amazing topics. So thank you so much everyone for my live YouTube sessions and also Unacademy classes. And today also I have an Unacademy class and the timing of that particular class you can just go to my profile and check up. And I would also like to tell it here. You can attend my live YouTube session at 3 p.m. Okay, today afternoon at 3 p.m. Right, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. And the topic I'm taking there is some basic concepts of chemistry. Okay, that is first chapter of PUC first year.